from Himachal Pradesh that has been now facing the brunt of nature's fury. While Himachal battles landslides, flash floods and massive destruction, the national capital is also on a high alert and a red alert has been issued. Overnight, there has been rains that even continue right now. Cars that have been trapped, roads that have been blocked, trees that has been uprooted. Even when it comes to hilly regions, there has been landslides and connectivity that has been impacted. Where this is the state that Himachal Pradesh for now looks like nature's fury that continues to batter the hill state as relentless rain has triggered chaos across Shimla, across Kullu, Mandi and surrounding regions. In Shimla, cars are trapped under debris after flash floods and landslides put life to a standstill. When we speak of the other roads as well, connectivity that has been completely impacted, landslides that have been reported at 5 key points in Shimla and Kullu that has paralyzed both the national and state highways. On Shimla-Rampur road, fallen trees that have led to a jam that stretched for nearly 6 kilometers and people have been stuck in their vehicles with no signs of relief in sight. Traffic, however, was crawling or completely halted for hours, leaving many people stranded, mostly tourists. Now, locals and tourists alike that are now caught in this gridlock, and what is being said that they fear of more landslides that also looms large as when it comes to a rain alert that continuously has been sounded by the IMD. Let's play out a ground report.
पूरे हिमाचल प्रदेश में एक बार फिर से भारी बारिश ने जमकर तबाही मचाई है। शिमला, कुल्लू, रामपुर में करीब 5 जगह बादल फटा है, जिसकी वजह से भयंकर जो नुकसान है वो देखने को मिला है। हालांकि अभी तक कोई जानी नुकसान नहीं हुआ है, लेकिन उसकी वजह से प्रॉपर्टी को काफी नुकसान पहुंचा है। और जब से बारिश हो रही है उसके बाद से लगातार जो सड़कें हैं, नेशनल हाईवे हैं, स्टेट हाईवे हैं, उन पर यातायात बाधित है। हम इस वक्त शिमला से आगे कुफरी में हैं, रामपुर की तरफ ये रास्ता जाता है और आप देखिए कितना लंबा यहाँ पर जाम लगा है। चारों तरफ जहां निगाह जाती है वहां गाड़ियां ही गाड़ियां खड़ी हैं। सर, कितनी देर से आप लोग यहाँ फंसे हुए हैं जाम में?
लगभग 2 घंटा हो चुका है।
2 घंटे हो चुके हैं। क्या बताएंगे आगे?
आगे 3-4 जगह जो है स्लाइडिंग हुई है। इस टाइम ठियोग में भी एक जगह काफी ज्यादा स्लाइडिंग हुई है पेट्रोल पंप के साथ। ये काफी है। आगे इसमें प्लांटेशन आए हुए हैं जो चील इसके कैल के पौधे हैं।
ठीक है, तो आप देखिए कई जगह पर लैंडस्लाइड हुई है, जिसकी वजह से लंबा जाम यहाँ पर लगा है। और पहाड़ों में आप देखिए मौसम आज भी अलर्ट है। कई जगह येलो अलर्ट जारी किया गया है, कुछ जगहों पर भारी बारिश का ऑरेंज अलर्ट भी है। आप देखिए किस तरीके का मौसम, हालांकि बहुत खुशनुमा है, लेकिन जिस तरीके से भारी बरसात हो रही है उसके चलते परेशानियां भी यहाँ पर देखने को मिल रही हैं। खासकर कई जो मार्ग हैं वो पूरी तरीके से अवरुद्ध हो गए हैं, यातायात बाधित हुआ है और जगह जगह लैंडस्लाइड और पेड़ गिरने की सूचनाएं आ रही हैं, जिसकी वजह से लंबा ट्रैफिक जाम हिमाचल प्रदेश में देखने को मिल रहा है।
पूनम भी हमारे साथ लाइव जुड़ रही है फिलहाल। पूनम, as far as the pictures that have been coming in, it seems that the IMD has sounded an alert for many regions, including in Himachal Pradesh, as connectivity continues to remain affected.
Obviously, IMD has issued an orange alert for around about 4 districts, and these are Bilaspur, Kangra, Mandi and Shimla and Sirmaur. Orange alert has been issued, and other district of Himachal Pradesh yellow alert has been issued. Even administration has given an advisory that stay away from river and rivulets, and also they had given advisory that while driving be cautious because landslides are occurring on national highway. Around about 3 national highway has been closed. Many roads have been closed, and yesterday 5 cloudbursts has occurred in 2 in Kullu, 2 in Shimla and 1 in Lahore Spiti. And I just want to tell you that today in the morning flash flood has occurred at Shimla Kotkhai, Khatu Nala, where 6 to 7 vehicles were buried under debris, and 1 petrol pump has also buried under debris. Now this is a situation where the situation is very critical, and advisory has also been issued that you only if it is important then only you come out of your houses, because today orange alert has been issued, and though cloudburst has occurred at 5 cloudbursts had occurred, but there is no loss of life as administration was on alert mode.